This has a chance at being the biggest D23 event in history.
For attention, please.
What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back. In just a couple of weeks, on August 23rd through August 25th, the D23 Expo will be taking over the Anaheim Convention Center. The D23 Expo is an event that happens every 2 years, and it celebrates all things Disney. It's also where Disney makes some of its major announcements, whether it's attractions, new parks, new lands, things of that nature. Back in 2015, Star Wars Land was the big announcement, and in 2017, Marvel Land was the big announcement. So anything can happen. And I've been seeing these pop up all over YouTube and all over the internet. So it's time to do my predictions for this year's D23. Starting us off is something that we have discussed many times here on this channel, and that is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Now I am expecting and predicting that they will give us a more clear timeline as to when this attraction will be breaking ground and when the chances are of it possibly opening in Toontown inside of Disneyland. This prediction is something that I believe will happen. This is one of those that I am 100% confident that they will announce more information in regards to Disneyland's Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. My second prediction is that Disney will give us a timeline as to when the new Marvel Land might open over in DCA. So far, we have not been given much information about this new land. So at D23, we might be able to expect some store locations, some food locations, and possibly a new name for this new land. Sticking with Marvel Land, my third prediction is that they will announce some details in regards to Marvel Land Phase 2. Yes, Marvel Land Phase 1 is yet to be completed, but since D23 happens every 2 years, I can't see Disney breaking ground on Phase 2 without having some formal announcement. So this is their chance to get ahead and start us off with some information in regards to Marvel Land Phase 2. That leads us to my fourth and last prediction, and this one I can almost guarantee, and that is that Disney will give us more information in regards to Magic Kingdom's 50th anniversary celebration happening in 2021. To go along with this, it would not surprise me if Disney announced a 24-hour event for this big anniversary. They've always been a hit in the past, and it's been a while since they have done one. So this feels like a perfect fit for the 50th anniversary celebration. So on to a couple of predictions of announcements that will not happen at this year's D23, and that is the Tomorrowland expansion / remodel and the Fantasyland expansion. They're just too far down the line. Disney has to finish Marvel Land Phase 1, Marvel Land Phase 2, Rise of the Resistance, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. There's just too much ahead of both of these expansions. So maybe in a couple of years, in 4 years, at those D23s, we might be able to get more information as to when and if these new expansions, remodels, will actually happen. My last little prediction is something that I don't believe is going to happen, but we all know with Disney, they can do unexpected things, and that is that they might announce a brand new park over in Walt Disney World. Just about a week or so ago, Universal announced that they are going to be building a brand new park. Over the years, Walt Disney World and Universal have been battling for guests and battling for supremacy in the theme park industry. So Disney could be countering this new announcement by Universal by announcing their own theme park for Walt Disney World. But like I said, I don't think this is going to happen. This is a couple years out in advance. I can't see Disney throwing this together. But it is Disney. We've learned to expect the unexpected. So there's a 1% chance maybe that Disney could be announcing a brand new park for Walt Disney World at this year's D23. So those are my predictions for this year's D23 event. Be sure to leave your comments down below of your predictions for this year's event. This has the chance at being one of the biggest, if not the biggest D23 event in its history. So that is going to do it for today. I hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when other videos like this or other park adventure videos are uploaded. And as always, if you're at any of the Disney parks, tell Mickey and Minnie I say hi, and I will see you all a little later.